Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a pink look. It's not as pink and as bold as my blue look was. By the way, you guys absolutely loved that look, and I was so shocked and so surprised because I liked it, but I wasn't like, I didn't think anybody was gonna like it. I didn't think it was gonna get any views. I didn't think that video was gonna do as well as it did. So thank you guys so much. I'm happy you guys liked it, and I'm happy you guys enjoyed watching it because I did have a lot of fun doing that video, but sorry, that's my dog. I just didn't think everybody was gonna love it like that. So thank you so much. It means the world to me. So I thought I would do another color. I've done this before. I have a whole playlist of, I think, 5 videos of days of me just doing colors. One solid color for my face. And some of them turned out really well. I did a red that was absolutely beautiful and it did really good. It's got almost 200 views at this, well, almost 150 views at this point. And I did a blue that did not really turn out that well. My last blue that you guys really liked did better than that one did. I think I did a purple and like a neutral color. But yeah, I'm happy that you guys liked it. So today I did another pink look. Oh, I did pink before too. I did another pink look. This one is kind of subtle. This is more of a everyday wear look. So yeah, I just want to tell you a few things. I used Ardell wispy in the style wispy lashes. I don't like these lashes. They don't look bad, but they're, I mean, I didn't want anything super dramatic because I wanted my eyeshadow to be seen, but they're not my favorite. I don't care for them like that. And the lash glue that I've been using for a while is by Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. It's latex free and it's clear. It dries clear, so I really like this. It was like $5. Before I was using Sephora for a while and it was like $18 for a little tube of probably about the same size, and I was like, no, I'm not paying $18 again for that when I can pay $5 for something that's just as good. So I started the video and I had foundation on because I was going to film something different today, and then my phone just kept going off with all these comments and likes towards my blue video, so I was like, oh, let me just do another color because I was planning on doing another color week anyway. So I guess I could just add these ones to that playlist. I was going to do orange. I wanted to do green, but I have not ordered my Good Luck palette from ColourPop yet because I don't know any other palettes that have like majority green in them. I would have to look for them. I know that BH Cosmetics has one, but I haven't gotten it yet, so I need to get a green palette so that I can do a green because I really am like into green right now. But yeah, I'm babbling a lot. I just want to thank you guys a lot. Like, it truly does mean the world to me that you guys really enjoyed that video. Yeah, so I wanted to do another color. Of course, it's not as vibrant and as bold as the blue was, but it's a subtle pink and wearable, and I think that's what I was going for today because honestly, I did not keep that blue on. I took it off. I didn't even post it on Instagram or anything. I immediately turned off my camera and took it off. I liked it, but I couldn't wear that all day, so I took it off. But this is something I could wear all day and feel comfortable, and it looks nice, and I think I could even wear this to a night type of thing too. But yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget I am doing a giveaway on my channel right now. If you want to be entered for a $50 gift card to Target, please hit the subscribe button and go follow me on Instagram. That is all you have to do to enter this giveaway. I thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It truly does mean a lot to me. The giveaway is to thank you guys for getting me to 300 subscribers. If you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.